Hey there! In this video, we will describe how to send an SMS response from your help desk conversation on Intercom using CommPeak integration. To start, go to your inbox and click on the required conversation. To send a message, you will need the CommPeak tab on the Details sidebar on the right. If it is not available, scroll down to Edit Apps and find CommPeak in the list that expands. Pin it, and the CommPeak tab will appear under Details. Expand the tab, and in the From field, select a sender from the drop-down list. It contains the approved sender IDs from your TextPeak account. In the To field, enter the contact's phone number, and in the Message field, type the text of the message you want to send. Then click the Send button. You will see a confirmation that the message was sent as a note in your conversation. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video guides.